Hi, are you confused about your charging strategy? Are you thinking that you need to charge less and offer a lower fee in order to secure and convert those high value clients? Well, you're wrong, and I'm going to explain to you why. I'm Sam Ashdown, and this is another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, and today I want to talk to you about the charging hierarchy that we see in our supermarkets. So you'll see that we've got Aldi and Lidl at the bottom, cheap. We've got Asda and Tesco in the middle, mid-range. And we've got M&S and Waitrose at the top, and their top prices. You're going to spend about 3 times as much on a can of beans from M&S and Waitrose as you are from Aldi and Lidl, right? But what I see a lot of agents doing is that they're offering an M&S and Waitrose service, but they're charging Aldi and Lidl prices. So they can either be the cheapest, or they can be the best, but they can't be both because people don't believe it. In fact, they'll only believe one of those two things. So if they can see that you're only charging 0.75, 0.95%, then they're going to think that your quality is going to be lower too. If you're charging 1.5% or 2% and you're charging some of the highest rates in your area, what are people going to think? They're going to think that they're getting the best quality from you. So don't be cheap and the best. Choose one of those two. If you want to make sure you never miss an episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, just go to Facebook or YouTube and make sure you subscribe to Marketing Magic for Estate Agents, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.